Hello everybody and welcome back. In this video, I'll discuss about Python loop. Okay, there are two types of loops. First one is while loop and the another one is uh, for loop. Let me introduce you with the loops. First one is while loop and the another one is for loops. I will discuss this in the next video, but let me introduce you with the for loop. Okay, what is for loop? With for loop, we can execute a set of statements as long as a condition is true. How it is true? Look, we have provided, uh, we have taken a value, a variable that is I, and provided a value with 1. And then remember the sentence. What is the sentence? We can execute a set of statement as long as a condition is true. Look here, as long as the condition is true. Here we have provided a condition. What is the condition? While I smaller than 6, print I. And also with the condition we have provided another state and the task, that is the incrementation should be occurred as 1 after 1. That should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the process, that is I plus equals 1. The increment should be 1 1 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is the process. Okay, and also the value should be less than 6. It cannot be equal or greater than. If it's greater than 6, then we will get an error. Okay, so this is the condition. Look, we have gotten an output that is 1 2 3 4 5, and the fifth result from 1 to 5, the result is true, and this is the condition, and this is the process until the statement is true. From 5 the statement is true. If this was 6, if here we have gotten a result with 6, then it should be false, but the statement must be true. To get the true statement, the output should be 1 to 5, and this is the process. If I equals to 1 while I smaller than 6, print I, and the incrementation should be 1 plus 1 plus 1, and this is the process. Okay, let me show you another topic with break. Okay, here we have provided two conditions. Okay, we have taken a variable with 1, and we have provided a condition that is I should be smaller than 6, then print I. Okay, but we have provided another condition with if statement, that is if I equals 4, then break. Okay, then the operation should be like this. Look, 1 2 3 4, and it didn't count after 4. If I type here 3, then see it has counted 1 2 3. Then what is the use of break? Actually, this break is telling the code that it's okay when the code is counting 1 2 3, and when the code has come to 3, then this break statement is telling the code that hey, it's okay, you don't have to count after 3 to 5, you can continue, you can stop counting, not continue, you can stop counting. Okay, the break is telling the code that you can stop counting, you don't have to count from 4 to 5, it's okay, you can stop counting. And that's why we are getting 1 2 3. We have provided another statement into the statement. That is, if I equals 3, then break. And this is the use of break in while loop. Now I will show you continue. Here we have taken a variable that is 0. Let me cleanse it first so that you can see the output more effectively here. We have taken a value of I that is 0. Okay. Then we have provided a condition that is while I smaller than 6. That means the value of I should be 6 as I have told you before. Now I have told the program that the incrementation should be occurred as 1 plus 1. That is 1 plus 1, that is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the way. But here I have provided another condition. That is, if I equals 3, then continue. This continue is telling the code that you should skip this operation and return to this condition. Okay, you can skip this condition and return to this condition. See, here 3 has been skipped, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Okay, because this continue has told the program that you can skip this condition and continue to the main condition. That's why 3 has been skipped and the rest of the code has been counted, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the actual process of using continue. I hope you have understood the use of while loop. You should practice more and more to be a professional Python programmer. Okay, see you in the next video.